Hello guys, my name is Lester Ompok, by the way, from the College of Education. My major is in Filipino. So today I will be discussing about how to use properly on Microsoft Word or Google Worksheet. So this is a common using of the student or other professional. So tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gagamitin ng maayos ang worksheet or ang Google Form. So, sana may matutunan kayo sa aking tatalakayin ngayon. So, first is you can click Google Sheet. So, after all, this is the example. This is my work first semester. I was first year. So, ito yung mga halimbawa ng mga ginawa ko sa mga output ko. Example, ito mga reflection,